Hey everybody, Yvonne here. Today, we're going to go through the top 8 things you should know before we actually get started with GoHighLevel. Stick around because we're going to cover different things such as features, the learning curve, pricing, and different things that you need to know before you actually get started with the platform. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, the question you might be asking yourself, how the heck do I even get started? So if you guys are actually interested, there's going to be an exclusive link down in the description where you can actually try out the platform for 14 days completely for free. And if we want to get started with that, just click the 14-day free trial, go ahead and type in the company name, type in your name and other information. I'm gonna go ahead and boom, we're gonna be ready to go to step 2. Let's go ahead and go with the starter plan. I'm gonna attach my payment information right over here as well. And boom, we're ready to get started. Now keep in mind, if you guys are not happy with this trial, you actually have 14 days to cancel it before getting charged a single dollar. Alrighty, and our account has been created. So let's go ahead and click here to get started. Now it's gonna go ahead and ask us a couple questions. And the reason why it does so is that'll actually customize our account based on our answers. So let's go ahead and just select random answers right over here. 1 of 3 customers. We don't have a website. Boom, our address. We're in California. We're not intending on reselling. And the cool part about it is that GoHighLevel, as we mentioned before, actually integrates with different platforms. So for example purposes, let's just go ahead and attach MailChimp and Calendly. Got it. All right, let's go ahead and confirm our email address right over here. And we got to do the exact same thing for our phone number as well. So let's go ahead and verify that. And boom, we're locked in and ready to go. Now, if you guys actually want some help setting up your account, GoHighLevel has an amazing support network that can actually help you with that. And all you got to do to access that, just go ahead and start onboarding now, and it's going to be ready for you as you just hop into a Zoom. But for the time sake purposes, I'm not going to go through the whole onboarding as it can be time consuming. And whenever you guys are ready, boom, this should be the dashboard that you're seeing that we just covered. Now, as we're discussing GoHighLevel, what is it and who uses it? The people that I've seen it used the most and pretty much what the platform was built for were from marketing agencies. The reason why it's so popular amongst marketing agencies is that you can actually white label a software and use it for your own clients. However, don't get me wrong, the marketing automation is fantastic on this platform and all sorts of businesses use it as well. It integrates with many different tools, making it a pretty much all-in-one software where you can have marketing campaigns, SMS messaging, CRM, and all the different stuff that it comes with running your business. GoHighLevel has it all within one centralized place, making it much easier for you guys to use. And look, that's going to save you guys a ton of money and make it much easier for you guys from an integration standpoint. And that's why the first fact that I wanted to focus on in this video is that it's an all-in-one software that can pretty much run your whole marketing side of the business. So again, with things like conversations that you're having with your customers, making sure all your calendars are lined up, having all your contacts in one place, marketing, automation, sites, everything is within one platform, pretty much brings you the centralized source of truth, making it much easier for you guys to run your business. However, the second fact that I wanted to cover is going to be the learning curve. Even though GoHighLevel does a really good job at customization and bringing all your marketing efforts to the next level, it does require a certain skill set in order for you guys to use it at its most capacity. So for example, if we go ahead and go to the reporting tool, this is going to be very straightforward. You can just go ahead and tie in your Google Ads account or Facebook account, and you can actually see exactly what our reports are looking like based on different categories. So look, this is going to be very simple setup. You can actually see all of this data all within one place. However, if we want to go ahead and tie in your automation and different marketing efforts all in one, you are going to have to play around with the platform just a bit because there is some learning to do. The good part is that there's a ton of free content that's available out there online that can pretty much teach you exactly how to use the platform. But as you guys are going through the learning phase part of the process, I would go ahead and focus on the automation part of it with workflows and content AI, as this is going to save you a ton of time with your marketing efforts. The reason behind that is as your marketing efforts increase, you're going to get a ton more leads. You're not going to have time to pretty much go through them one by one. So if we want to go ahead and create a workflow right over here, we can actually either pick a template or start from scratch. So just for simplicity reasons, I'm going to go ahead and create one from a template where, for example, we have a recipe from Facebook comments. Let's go ahead and select this one, and boom. From here, we can actually see different branching logic right over here where we can see exactly what happens when a certain trigger is activated. So we can actually see in this specific case, the trigger is someone actually commenting on your guys' Facebook post. And look, as you guys are growing, you're not going to have time to kind of engage with all. So look, in this specific scenario, the trigger is someone engages with your guys' Facebook post by commenting on it. And what's going to happen with it after it occurs is there's going to be an automatic response to that comment, and the Facebook interactive messenger is going to get back to them. Now, this is going to be key as you guys are scaling your operation, making it much easier to engage with your guys' audience. And look, this is a very simple example that I'm showing right here, and you guys will need a little bit of practice in order to figure out the full functionality of workflows. And as you guys saw how customizable those workflows are, this is bringing me into my third point, which is customization and white labeling. So let's go ahead and take a step back. We mentioned this earlier in the video, but who uses GoHighLevel? A lot of them are going to be marketing agencies. Now with marketing agencies, there are going to be two sides of the business. First, there's going to be the actual agency itself, and then there's going to be the client. So on GoHighLevel, there's first the agency view, and there's there's going to be the client view. And as you guys see right over here, we can actually hop in between them pretty easily. Now with white labeling, what's going to be really interesting is you can actually use high-level software and make it seem like it's your own. So imagine this. If you have your own marketing agency, for example, let's call it testcompany.com, you can actually have your name in the software and the software can look like it's your own, but you're actually using high-level technology to power it. And from there on, you can actually onboard your own clients into it and they can have their own sub-accounts point of view. And with the sub-accounts, all the different things that you guys see here on the left-hand side, you can actually see it. But if you're an agency, if we go back to this, you're going to have access to all the different features. And the big part of it comes with the marketing agency just having different goals. So right over here with the prospecting window, we can actually go ahead and add more prospects, which we can actually sell to add as a sub-account for our marketing agency. But as you guys go ahead and add more clients to your guys' arsenal, it brings me to my fourth point, which is an intense marketing automation that GoHighLevel offers. Now we covered this a little bit already, but if we want to go ahead and access those automation features, all we got to do is just press it right here on the left-hand side, and it's going to bring us to workflows and content AI. So we can either go ahead and create a workflow like we've done so already, or if we go to the content AI part, we can actually use AI to help us generate more content, which is going to be much easier. And as you guys are scaling your marketing efforts, using content AI is going to be a game changer for just pushing more content out there. But again, outside of those two tools, you can actually automate things like follow-ups or assigning different tasks to your guys' team. So at the end of the day, as you guys are growing your marketing operation, this is going to make it much easier for you guys to scale, pretty much get things done a lot more efficiently. Now, the fifth thing that I would really pay a lot of attention to are going to be GoHighLevel's integration capabilities. So to access those, all you got to do is go ahead and click on the app marketplace, and you'll have a sea of different marketplace apps that you can actually connect with GoHighLevel. And here's why this is important. At the end of the day, GoHighLevel doesn't have all the tools out there, but what it does have is integrations with other softwares that can do certain tasks that GoHighLevel natively can't. Thus, connecting your tools with platforms like WhatsApp would make it much easier for you guys to interact with your customers and get things done. And if you guys are currently using any systems whatsoever, this is going to make it much easier for you guys to transition from those to GoHighLevel. So if I were you, if there's a certain system that you're currently using or you want to use, just go ahead and click on the top free or paid apps. Just go ahead and search it right over here, find it, download it, and it's going to be ready to go. The native APIs are going to make your job much easier. This requires no code whatsoever, and you guys are going to be ready to go and get the ball rolling. And look, I get it. A lot of these things may be very confusing, right? There's a pretty steep learning curve, and that's why for number 6, what GoHighLevel does really well is that it has really extensive forums to help you guys get started. So if you guys want to go ahead and access those forums and knowledge bases, all you got to do is just go to Google, type in GoHighLevel forums and support, and this window right over here should pop up. So as you guys see right over here, if we scroll down, there are going to be a ton of articles that you can actually read to help with the setup of your guys' GoHighLevel account. But in addition to that, GoHighLevel does a really good job with helping you guys set up your account through the Zoom room that we actually saw in the beginning. You can always reach out to a member of the team, and they're going to help you either through Zoom, email, or a ticket that you can put in any time of the day. But the biggest thing that people need help with, and this is going to tie into my 7th point, is going to be the client management. Now with client management, we actually are going to see it in the agency view. And right now, I don't have any sub accounts currently listed, right? But ideally, whenever you guys are growing, you're going to have a lot of sub accounts here of who you're going to be managing. So right over here, if we go ahead and select the option of manage your client, you can actually go ahead and switch into their sub account and see exactly what's going on the marketing side. But you can also go ahead and just get a snapshot of exactly what's going on, making it much easier for you guys to access that information. But again, when most people are using the agency view part of things, they are looking for things that have to do with revenue, how many clients they're having, pretty much how many folks are using their platform on a monthly basis. So I currently don't have any data set up at the moment, but through here, you can actually see your revenue distribution, see exactly what's going on that front, revenue for last month, how much is reoccurring, customers in Stripe, all those things. And because GoHighLevel has really good CRM capabilities, you can actually go to the prospecting tab, as we mentioned earlier, and actually use that as your guys' prospecting tool, keep all your guys' clients and leads in order. And that way you can actually grow your agency in no time. Now for the 8th point here, let's go ahead and check out how pricing works for GoHighLevel. Something that they do really well is that they don't gatekeep the features. As we can see, pretty much all the different tools that are available within the platform are actually already available within the starter plan. But the biggest difference that's going to come into play here is going to be how many sub accounts we're going to have. So for the starter plan, it's going to be 3 sub accounts. They're going to be included in the platform, but for the unlimited, you can have as many as you want. So for most of you guys that are watching, if you're just starting out, I would just go ahead and go with the starter version as you guys are trying to build up your clientele. But if you're taking things to the next level and looking to scale, unlimited may make sense. But the best part about this is the fact that starter plan pretty much already has all the features ingrained within it. So there's no pressure to upgrade at any time. So I would just go ahead and take it slow and steady, wait until you grow your clientele before upgrading to the next plan. And there you guys have it. Those are the top 8 things that you should know before signing up for GoHighLevel. As we discussed earlier, this is going to be a no-brainer if you have a marketing agency, but it can also be a fantastic use case for any marketing side of the business. If you guys want to go ahead and try the platform for yourself, feel free to use the exclusive link down below for a 14-day free trial of the platform. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Till next time, peace.